Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Mailtrack and stop tracking prompts from LinkedIn Outreach. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Mailtrack, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons section. For Chrome users, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to More Tools and then select Extensions. For Firefox users, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Add-ons and then Extensions. Locate Mailtrack in the list of installed extensions. Click on the Remove button for Chrome or the Disable button for Firefox. Confirm the action if prompted. Next, to stop tracking prompts from LinkedIn Outreach, log into your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Visibility section. Scroll down to Manage Active Status and adjust your settings. Then, proceed to the Data Privacy section. Review the settings related to third-party services. Ensure that you disable any permissions associated. After making these changes, refresh your LinkedIn page. You have now uninstalled Mailtrack and disabled tracking prompts. This ensures a more private LinkedIn Outreach experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.